Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Amay. We all have smartphones with us and they come with default virtual assistants on them. Apple has Siri, Microsoft has Cortana, Amazon has Alexa, and Samsung has Bixby. Although frankly no one uses it, including me. Anyway, the point is, I think when it comes to best virtual assistant, Google Assistant has come a long way and is arguably the best virtual assistant there is. And though we all have it just a touch or voice command away, most of the people don't use it. And if you really use it to its full potential, you will come to know how useful it is in day-to-day life. So today I will show you some of the interesting, useful and some really fun Google Assistant commands that you should definitely try on your phone or any device that you have which supports it. And it's just not the smartphones but smart speakers, smart devices like light bulbs, headphones, cars, TVs, even our smartwatches and whatnot. In fact, Google Assistant works with over 50,000 smartphone devices from more than 10,000 popular brands, and they keep adding new brands all the time. There are over 1 million commands or actions that you can explore as per your needs. But I will tell you few of them which can be used in day-to-day life and are really useful. So I request you to go through the full video even if it's a lengthy video than usual. And I will show you this on my Lenovo Smart Clock as it is compatible with Google Assistant. If you would like to see that video, it should be right here. And do note, I am going to mute these words in my video every time I say any command so that your Google enabled devices won't go crazy. Enough for now. I think without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so we can start with the task and to-dos. We can ask to set multiple timers at a time. For example, set a 30-minute timer for cake.
Alright, a 30-minute timer called cake. And that's starting now.
Start another timer for workout for 30 minutes.
Second timer, workout for 30 minutes. And that's starting now.
Show me all my timers.
You have two timers. The 30-minute timer called cake is running with 29 minutes and 48 seconds remaining, and the 30-minute timer called workout is running with 30 minutes.
Cancel all my timers.
Alright, I cancel both of them.
We can also ask Google to remind us something. Remind me to pay the electricity bill.
Alright, pay the electricity bill. When do you want to be reminded?
Tomorrow at 11 am.
Okay, I'll remind you tomorrow at 11 am.
Thanks.
Glad I could help. It's my favorite thing to do.
Then you can add something in your shopping list. Add flowers to my shopping list.
Sure, I added flowers.
Show me my shopping list.
You have two things on that list. They're flowers and flowers.
Delete my shopping list.
Are you sure you want to go ahead and delete it?
Yes.
Alright, I deleted the list called shopping list.
Alright, so starting with some of the basic things like alarm. You can set an alarm hands-free. Set an alarm for 7 am tomorrow.
Tomorrow at 7 am. Set.
If you want to remember something, you can ask Google to remember it on your behalf. Remember that I kept the passport in top drawer.
Okay, I'll remember that.
What did I ask you to remember?
Here's what you told me. First, I keep the passport in top drawer. Second, I get passport in top drawer.
Alright, moving on with the local information, you can ask simple things such as weather. What's the weather right now?
Currently in Pune, it's 22 degrees and clear. Tonight, the forecast is around 19 and clear.
Will it rain tomorrow?
No, it won't rain in Pune tomorrow. It'll be sunny with a high of 32 and a low of 17.
How's the traffic in Pune?
There's moderate traffic in Pune. It's slower than usual.
Give me directions to New Delhi Airport.
The best way to get to Indira Gandhi International Airport, Delhi, by car is via National Highway 52 and will take about 1 day and 2 hours in light traffic. You can see the full route on your phone.
That's how the directions will be sent to your phone, and you can check over there. And of course you can ask for nearby ATM, post office, etc., and Google will show you and you can navigate to that direction. Find the movies playing nearby.
Some popular movies showing around Pune include Master, Crack and Madam Chief Minister.
Play some Bollywood playlist.
Alright, check out this Bollywood music station on YouTube Music.
Play the latest party track.
Alright, check out this last party station on YouTube Music.
Tell me the latest news.
Here's the latest news. From Times of India top stories at 9:18 p.m. yesterday.
Confirmation that came in as soon as this was reported here, with the Delhi police also making it very clear.
Play some business news.
Here's the latest business news.
Hello, welcome back to News Now. You're still watching ET Now on the Saturday edition. Tata Chemicals.
Turn up the volume. Turn down the volume. And the last ones are the favorite ones, where we can ask the fun questions or quick answers from Google. Compliment me.
I think you're nifty.
Help me relax.
Stop.
When we ask to relax, it will play the peaceful sound of nature. I want to talk to WikiHow.
Alright, getting WikiHow.
Hi, ask me how to do anything.
How to bake a cake.
How to bake a cake. To bake a vanilla cake from scratch, first preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit.
Sing me a song.
I made this song just for you.
I'm your personal assistant. Do 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 do. I'm here to help you. Do 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 do. I can search for you, even find your places. Call for you, mail for you, chat with you, laugh with you, sing for you, even play games and cover many bases. I'm your personal assistant. Do 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 do. I'm here to help you. Do 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 do.
Sing happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday from Google. Happy birthday to you.
Tell me a joke.
One joke coming up. What do you get from a pampered cow? Spoiled milk.
Make me laugh.
Here goes. How many introverts does it take to screw in a light bulb? Why does it have to be a group activity?
How are you?
Good to hear from you. How may I help?
How do you look like?
I have been told I show up as colorful dots.
What's your name?
Google Assistant's the name. Helping you is my game.
I am home.
Hi, Amy.
High five.
Ciao. That's hello in Italian. How can I help?
How do you say hello in Chinese?
In Chinese, that's
您好.
Are you friends with Alexa, Cortana or Siri?
those two are titans in the assistant world.
Clean my room.
Let me try. Did anything happen? Sorry, I guess I can't.
Well, that was it from my end. Of course, there are other communication features such as you can call, redial, or SMS someone. You can read your unread messages. You can send an email to someone and send and read WhatsApp messages as well. There are some simple commands on your phone such as book a cab like Uber and Ola. And if all that's not enough, there is even IFTTT app which you can use to connect your Google Assistant to hundreds of other services and can create custom voice commands. Alright, so I hope the video was useful and you found some interesting commands or actions that you will try. Let me know in the comments below what Google Assistant commands you already use or will start using after watching this video. As usual, please like and share this video with your friends, families and colleagues. And if you'd like to see such videos in the future, make sure that you have subscribed to my channel and press that bell icon to get notified every time I post a new video. And last but most important thing, you know it. Stay safe, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.